Hey guys, what's up? This is Anonymous A, and once again, who all are watching this tutorial is welcome to my channel Tech Geek. So guys, today's tutorial is all about patching an application, or in simple words, I must say hacking an application. So guys, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to patch or hack any application for its in-app purchases or Google Ads. So moving on to the tutorial, the first thing that you will be needed during the whole process is the Lucky Patcher application. Yes guys, by the help of Lucky Patcher application, you can hack or patch any application for its in-app purchases or Google Ads. And the second thing that you will be needed is a strong internet connection. You cannot use a 2G connection for the same because that might be a quite slow connection, but the connection that you should have is a 3G, 4G or a Wi-Fi connection. Moving on to number 3, guys, I am showing this tutorial only for rooted Androids because I have only a rooted Androids and I am not showing for non-rooted Androids, so kindly please forgive me, and sorry guys that I am not showing for non-rooted Androids, but you can YouTube other videos on non-rooted Androids, so sorry for that. And the fourth thing that you will be needed during the whole process is patience, because guys, during the patching of any application it take time to patch, so you must be patient for the patching process. So let's start a tutorial. So guys, as you have downloaded the Lucky Patcher application from the link in the description which I have given or by yourself, so kindly install Lucky Patcher application on your Android device, and let me show you. I have installed my Lucky Patcher application over here, this, and during the process you install your patcher application, I must show you that my Android is rooted or not. I just simply go to this root checker basics application and click on this verify root. Allow. So guys, as you can see, my phone is rooted, device 1201, root access is properly installed. So within that time your application must be installed. Now just open your Lucky Patcher application and it will come up something like this. Guys, my application doesn't ask me to give it the super user permission, but if you install the Lucky Patcher application for the first time, then it will definitely ask or prompt you to grant it the super user permission. I have used the KingRoot application to grant the super user permission, but you can use any other app available in the market like Kingo Root or SuperSU. So now I just simply locate my victim game, that is I'm using Temple Run 2, and click on this, and here you can see this open menu of patches. Just simply click on this and it will open up something like this, where you have to click on this support patch for in-app and LVL emulations. Just click on this and it will open up a window for you. Guys, don't touch any of the setting in this window, just leave it to default and click apply. So now the patching is setting up and will start very soon. So as you can see, the patching has started, and guys, this may take a minute or two, so you must have some patience till the process complete. So now it's analyzing the results. So guys, as you can see here, it's written creating .odex with changes. So this is the last stage through the patching process. So it will be completed in any second. So don't worry, it's going to be finished up very soon. So guys, this is the patch result, and which I think that it's successful. Just simply click on this launch bar and it will open your application, your patched application. So this is Imangi, which I mean these are the authors of Ramble 2 Lost Jungles, I think so. So guys, I'm opening my Temple Run 2 for the first time after installing, so it may take some time. So guys, as you can see, my application is launched. Now guys, before doing the next process, you have to enable your data connection, which is a 3G, 4G or a Wi-Fi connection, and then simply click on this store button to go to the store, and then you will see that the magic start over here. So guys, in my case, I have already set up my data connection, so I just have to simply click on this store, and you can watch the magic that will happen. So guys, as my data connection has been set up, so kindly click on this store and it will retrieve the store. So guys, here is my store. So guys, at the top right corner you see in my currency there are 0 coins and 0 diamonds. So if I want some diamonds, I just have to click on this pile of gems, and boom, I just got 240 diamonds for free. Now I want to make some coin, man. I don't like this 0 coin. Let's make it 6 lakh 5,000 50,000. So just click on this mountain of coin, and boom, I just get 6 lakh 50,000 coins for free. I want more coins. Wow, I just got 480 diamonds. So this is all guys. This is the quick tutorial through which you can patch any application just like this and have fun. So thank you guys for watching my video, and hope that you like my video, and please hit that like button if you like my video, and also share and subscribe my channel. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that I must bring good videos to you all in future. So thank you guys.